Tomorrow basically we'll discuss about the fundamental of SQL, that is how to retrieve the data from different tables, how to restrict the data and sort the data. Then we'll learn about the single row function along with multiple rows function and reporting using your group by function, and then DML operation. And that is in your module 1, right? So tomorrow basically we'll discuss about SQL, what is SQL, how we can write SQL, and why SQL is required to handle the database and all. So we'll learn about that. Then different types of SQL statement we'll learn about that. Then different syntax we'll learn about that. How we can, what is the syntax required for fetching the data, we'll learn about that. Then how you can restrict the data, we'll learn about that. And then what are the single rows function in SQL, like character type function, like case manipulation function, like date function. So we'll learn about that, and then we'll learn about your null function. What are the null function available in Oracle? So we'll learn about that, and then we'll learn a special type of function which is case and decode, which is very frequently used in industry, and it's very much required. Even if you write any code, definitely you need this kind of function. Like if, let's say for example, you are in IT, right? So your stream code is IT, and it's getting stored in your table as IT, but when you are going to display it in your application, you want it in information technology. So how you can convert IT as a information technology? So using case or using decode function you can use it, right? So we'll learn about these things in your upcoming classes. And then your grouping function, average, sum, mean, max, count, how you can use it, we'll learn about these as well. And having clause, where clause, group by clause, all these things we'll learn in your upcoming classes.